I've had fillings done, and I'm a very nervous patient. So when I came in, he made me again feel very comfortable, and I was always nervous coming in here before, and then after meeting him, I feel comfortable coming in. He explains everything, exactly what he's going to be doing to you. And again, then I'm a very nervous patient, so at least I know what's ahead of me, and I feel very comfortable then. The staff is very professional. Every time I come in, I'm greeted. When I'm leaving, they say goodbye to me and book my appointments accordingly for the next visit. And everything is on time when I come in, and that's very particular about time. So when I come in and leave, I know exactly how long I'm going to be here. I live in Burnaby, and I come all the way here for Dr. Kirani, as he makes me feel very comfortable.